gardener in England, finding roots in the cold woodland. Raindrops fall, but I still grow. With green fingers, love will show. Chili peppers on my windowsill, curry leaves in the air so still. A little Myanmar tasting every seed. This is homegrown, just watch me lead. Blood on my hands, but I'll make it look good. Growing love like a green space should. Veggies in the backyard, flowers on the vine. Even in the storm, my garden will shine.
Against all odds defying the UK winter, the Roselle have spoken, and they have chosen life. Guess what? My Roselle is actually germinated. I can't believe it. I did it.
It's growing. I did it. I did it.
Hi everyone, it's Lele, and I am back with an exciting update on my Roselle Germination experiment. If you watched my last video, you know I was testing whether I could germinate Roselle seeds in February. Something that isn't exactly recommended in the UK chilly climate. Well, against all odds, they have sprouted. Look at this beauty. I wasn't sure if this would work. Here they are, small, determined, and probably wondering why it's so cold. And speaking of cold, I kept my seed tray in a room with a temperature between 10 and 23 degrees Celsius. It wasn't exactly tropical, but clearly it was just warm enough to convince these little guys to wake up. To help keep them warm, I covered the seed tray with fleece until they sprout. It is like a mini greenhouse. And another important thing I did was keeping the soil moist, but not too wet. Roselle seeds need humidity to germinate. But if the soil is too wet, they can rot before they even get the chance to grow. So it's all about balance. Now, the real challenge begins, keeping them alive until spring. I will be keeping them indoors next to the window, making sure they get enough warmth and light, which, let's be honest, isn't always guaranteed in the UK. If you are thinking of trying this yourself, here's what I have learned so far. Yes, we can germinate Roselle seed in February, but they will need extra care to survive the cooler months ahead. And keeping them in a 10 to 20 degrees Celsius room seems to work. But I wouldn't push it any further. Cover the seed tray with fleece until they sprout. And keep the soil moist, but not too wet. Too much water can cause the seed to rot before they even sprout. I will keep you updated on their progress, whether they flourish or slowly wither away. So make sure like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to follow the journey. That's it for today. Happy gardening. Until the next time, let's see if this Roselle baby make it.
I'm a Burmese gardener in England, finding roots in the cold woodland. Raindrops fall, but I still grow. With green fingers, love will show. Chili peppers on my windowsill, curry leaves in the air so still. A little Myanmar tasting every seed. This is homegrown, just watch me lead. Blood on my hands, but I make it look good.